This is the K-Express Essential Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker, and we've been using it daily for quite some time now. It's a solid performer for us, and today we're sharing what we really think about it. First off, we love how compact this coffee maker is. It fits nicely on our kitchen counter without taking too much space, making it great for smaller kitchens or tight spaces. One thing that stands out is how fast it brews coffee. We're often in a rush in the mornings, and it's great knowing that we can have a hot cup of coffee ready in under 2 minutes. The K-Express Essentials lets us choose between different cup sizes, which is perfect for when we want a smaller or more concentrated cup or a larger, lighter brew. It offers flexibility without being complicated. Cleaning is a breeze. The removable drip tray makes it easy to wipe down, and descaling it is straightforward. We haven't had any issues keeping it in top shape. One minor drawback we notice is that it doesn't have a water reservoir as large as some other models, so we have to refill it more often. But honestly, that hasn't been a big deal for us. Overall, this coffee maker gets the job done consistently, and we appreciate the simplicity it offers. If you're looking for a reliable single-serve brewer without the extra frills, this is definitely one to consider. If you're looking for a compact, reliable coffee maker that brews quickly and keeps things simple, the K-Express Essentials is worth checking out. Definitely give this product some consideration.